Sikaflex P2G Premium is really the culmination of listening and developing a solution that meets our customers' needs and addresses the market needs across the country. And it complements our Sika TAC Ultimate, which is our premier product, which has been really well received within the market. So in addressing the needs of the broader market, the Sikaflex P2G Premium really gives us a nice family of products that can serve and address all of our customers' needs. At Sika, we are involved in markets throughout the entire country. And so within these markets, our customers have unique process demands, they have cost requirements, they have process requirements. And so really for us to be successful, we have to address the needs throughout the entire market. Whether that's here in the US, it's in Asia or in Europe, Primerless technologies really lends to safety, which is our #1 priority at Sika. Safety, sustainability, and process. So anytime you can add those three things together, you're really bringing value to the customer and to the market. And so that's a common theme anywhere in the world, and Sika's been striving for that as a development company. From a local standpoint, Sika also prides ourselves in local R&D. So we do unique development solutions in the Primerless segment to support our local customers and our local needs. And so Primerless solutions and the ability to remove pretreatments from processes while maintaining safety and process control and performance really lends to our sustainability commitment for 2028 and then ultimately the commitment of net zero in 2050.